How to change language in WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp on your PC and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the main screen of WhatsApp, look at the bottom left and click on the settings menu icon just above your profile picture. Next, from the drop-down menu, you will see several options. Inside the general section, you will find the option Language. Click on it and a list of available languages will appear on your screen. Now, scroll through the list to find your preferred language. Once you see the language you want, click on it and a confirmation will pop up. Just click OK. WhatsApp will instantly restart and display everything in the new language you selected. If you ever want to switch back to your previous language, just follow the same steps and select it from the list again. This feature is especially helpful if you are more comfortable using WhatsApp in your native language or if you are sharing a computer with someone who speaks a different language. And that's it. Now you know how to change language in WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.